So today's topic is present continuous. What are you doing right now? And I know, continuous sounds like a very serious grammar word.
Very serious, very textbook.
But forget the label. Here's all you need to feel. This is the language of this moment, right now, the thing that is happening as you speak, the cup of tea you're drinking, the walk you're taking, the podcast you are currently listening to.
Yes, that's it. That's the whole heart of it. Something is in motion, right now, still moving, not finished. And English has a very specific way of capturing that, of wrapping the language around that moving, living, breathing moment.
And once you feel it, really feel it, it starts to sound completely natural because it is natural. It's how English lives in real time.
Real life, please. Let's go.
Okay, let's build this slowly. Sophie, let's start with the image. How do you picture this in your head?
So for me, and I want you to imagine this too, I think about a photograph versus a video. A photograph is a finished moment. It's done. It happened. You look at it and say, that was a beautiful day. But a video is alive. It's moving. You're watching it happen. You're in it. And that's the feeling of this kind of language. It's the video. It's the moving picture.
Oh, I love that. Photograph versus video.
Right? And when you describe that video, that moving, ongoing moment in English, you use two things together. First, a small helper word, am, is, or are, depending on who's doing the thing, and second, the main action word, but with a little ending added to it, the ing ending.
So walk becomes walking, cook becomes cooking, read becomes reading, study becomes studying, sleep, very important, becomes sleeping.
Very important. We all need to talk about sleeping more.
We do. So when you put these two things together, you get sentences that sound like this. I am walking to the bus stop right now. She is cooking dinner in the kitchen. They are watching a film together. He is sleeping. Lucky him.
Lucky him indeed. And do you feel what all of those have in common? Every single one is a moving picture. Something is happening right now, in this moment. The action is alive.
And here's something I want to slow down on because this trips people up. The word right now does not always have to be in the sentence. Sometimes it's invisible. Sometimes you just feel it. I am learning English. You don't need to say right now. It's understood. The ing already carries that feeling.
That's such a good point. The ing is the signal. It's the word saying, hey, this is alive. This is happening.